power of blogging. An evolution from online diaries, personal pages to blog was not until 1997. The term weblog was coined by John Barger of the influential blog RoboWisdom to describe such sites. These blogs eventually evolved from a techie space to a journalist's blog on Hurricane Bonny, and it was followed by the creation of Open Diary in the year 1998. Open Diary was a blogging platform accessible to regular people regardless of their tech experience. And the rest, as we know, remains history. With the advent of individual blogging space and websites, by 2003, people began to monetize their blogs with Google AdSense. Blogs are not simply a way to earn money with good content, but are a spectacular tool for conversions. The most specific aspect of blog is its importance to marketing. In the year 2020, according to a survey, 85% of B2C companies and 91% of B2B companies use blogs for content marketing purposes. It is vital for companies, therefore, to have an all-pervasive presence via blogs. And before you begin to ask, what is the ROI or the return on investment of blogging? We have the perfect answer by HubSpot. According to HubSpot's report, they say that about 92% of companies that blog have acquired customers directly from it, that is, directly from blogging. And to be honest, generating leads is just a step, but getting conversions directly is like a dream come true. A strategic blog can fetch you those right customers at the right time. And now that you're wondering how to implement a strategy in blogs, the first thing you do is research. A blog without a good research is futile, and therefore researching on popular terms and questions related to your business will be the stepping stone for creating that sales funnel in your blog. When you are done with research and have the keywords handy, you put your search engine optimization techniques to use. Content marketing through blogs is also about gaining credibility in your industry. And for those who are new to business, strategic blogs cater to the know-hows of your business, which can eventually level up your game in the industry. Information is pouring from almost all the directions today, but the right information leads the customer to the right direction. And blogs are a great source of creating a step-by-step purchase funnel for your customers. Once they reach the end of the funnel, there is no stopping them from a conversion click. The fact that you use no middleman but words makes a blog, therefore, a successful salesman. The end goal of any business is to convert the leads, but blogs serve a double-fold benefit, of which the most important is that it adds to your database. Getting leads through your blogs by getting customers to sign up gives your business a spectrum of database best suitable for your needs. Only when a person signs up after reading your blog, you begin to gain that kind of credibility in the market. Once that credibility is accomplished, you strategize the content on your blog to ensure maximum conversions. Moreover, the same database can be used to target the audience on social media platforms as well. And after all, in the words of Bill Gates, content is the king. So don't miss out on this powerful aspect of your business growth. To get your own blog, visit our website inkfrog.com.